This is the power supply of the Xbox, and the problem is it shuts down by itself. And here you are, dismantle the whole thing and connected a external auxiliary fan. It's a 12 volt fan, so you have to tap it on the 12 volt terminals. That's the yellow and ground one. Black one. In this case, I soldered it on the bottom part, as you can see from here. Okay, so the plan is have it installed outside the box. Let's see. And here it goes. You can see the fan there, it's running. Making sure everything's cool, so it doesn't power off now.
I just like that he didn't choose to just lay it up. I mean, he threw it down with force. Detroit making his wish.